Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zareen Ibnat. So I am here in Gion Resort. We can see there is a big playground around here. This helps children to increase their physical activities and they don't become addicted to mobile phones. So parents can bring their children here so that they could play around and increase their mental development and other things.
I would like to know that do you think parents should bring their children here?
Yes, of course, they should bring their children here so that they can play and increase their activities.
How games can improve their skill?
Children can obviously like to play games, so playing around here they cannot become addicted to mobile phones. Instead, their physical activities, this can help in their weight loss and maintaining their physical activities.
So you think that besides study they must play,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
Do you get any chance to play?
In our school there is a playground. We can play there, but not in many schools in Dhaka there are playgrounds. So they can come here and play games.
Which school do you study?
I study in Vikarnison School and College.
There is a playground.
Yeah.
So when do you play there?
During the break time, but during this COVID period we can't go there.
How long can you play?
Around 20 minutes.
During tiffin time?
Yes.
Okay. So when will you go to school again? Any
When the
idea?
government allows us to go.
Okay. So now you are confined in your house, right?
Yeah.
How are you passing your time?
Using mobile phones and
Most of the time you are using mobile phone.
Yeah, due to online classes and other things.
But do you like to use mobile phones all the time?
No.
You don't like,
No.
but now you have to do it, right?
Yes.
Okay,
It's a
thank you so
compulsory.
much.
Mostly.